I'm Natalia Mikos. I'm from Novocure. So today I'm here with Laszlo, my supervisor. I work here in Krakow in Poland, so this is quite a new office. And since 6 months I'm a team member from Novocure. Very excited. That was really big surprise for me, so I didn't expect it. But I'm really happy. This is the amazing day, amazing night, and I'm really happy to be here. This is my first really great time, and I hope that we can see also next year. Really great, because I met many people here and many companies. This is a great opportunity for me also, because I didn't expect anything. But I learned many things here, and also from Mark, also from another companies, another speakers. Yeah, the sessions were really great, so I hope that next year I also will come here and I will spend a little bit more time with the new people.